Operatives of the Lagos State Police Command have arrested 21-year-old Samson Onilewaji, who was allegedly found in possession of a suspected severe human right hand, 2 locally made pistols, 1 live cartridge, 2 axes, a point of sale POS terminal, and 5 ATM cards during a routine stop and search operation along the Lekki-Epe Expressway in Lagos State. Akahi News gathered that the suspect was traveling in an unregistered commercial shuttle bus with 5 other occupants when officers intercepted the vehicle. According to the police, Onilewaji allegedly confessed to recently robbing 3 individuals from whom the recovered POS terminal and ATM cards were allegedly stolen. Efforts are underway to identify the victims and return the property. Akahi News learned that investigators are also working to determine the identity of the owner of the suspected human hand, how it came into the suspect possession, and what it was allegedly intended for. The Lagos State Police Command stated that investigations are continuing and that the suspect will be charged to court if sufficient evidence is established. What exactly has changed following this report? This case goes far beyond an ordinary robbery investigation. The discovery of a suspected human body part alongside firearms and stolen property introduces disturbing questions that extend into violent crime, possible ritual-related activities, and organized criminal networks. At this stage, investigators have not concluded how the human hand was obtained or what it was intended for. It would therefore be wrong to jump to conclusion before forensic investigations are completed. Nevertheless, the incident reflects growing public anxiety about violent crime in Nigeria. It also demonstrates the importance of routine police stop and search operations when conducted lawfully and professionally. Without such operations, dangerous weapons and criminal suspects may continue moving freely within our society. The case equally highlights another challenge. Many Nigerians have become increasingly worried about the disappearance of persons, reports of mutilated bodies, and allegations of ritual-related crimes. Every credible investigation into such cases therefore carries enormous public interest. Ultimately, justice in this case will depend not on rumors or public speculation, but on scientific evidence, thorough investigation, and a fair judicial process. 5 things every Nigerian should know concerning this report. Number 1, a suspected human hand was recovered. Number 2, firearms and other dangerous items were also recovered. Number 3, stolen financial items were allegedly recovered. Number 4, the investigation is still ongoing. Number 5, the suspect remains entitled to due process. Questions set for your deeper reflection. Number 1, what explains the increasing number of disturbing criminal cases involving suspected human body parts in Nigeria? Number 2, are intelligence gathering and community policing strong enough to prevent violent crimes before they occurred? Number 3, should forensic investigation capacity be expanded across Nigeria to improve criminal investigations? Number 4, how can citizens better support security agency with timely and credible information without spreading rumors? Number 5, what measures are needed to tackle both violent robbery and possible ritual-related crimes simultaneously? Number 6, beyond arrest, how can Nigerians address the social and economic factors that drive some young people into violent crimes? Akahi News, based on this report, has recommended the following. Number 1, the Nigeria Police Force should conduct a comprehensive forensic investigation into every item recovered. Number 2, authorities should identify the owner of the suspected human hand and establish the full circumstances surrounding the case. Number 3, anyone found criminally responsible after due legal process should face prosecution in accordance with the law. Number 4, citizens should avoid circulating unverified claims that could prejudice ongoing investigation. Number 5, government should strengthen forensic laboratories and criminal intelligence capacities across the country. And number 6, community policing and public awareness campaigns should be intensified to encourage early reporting of suspicious activities. Thank you for joining me on this segment. Before I conclude this report, I want to quickly intimate you that intensive tutorial for 2026 OAU post-UTME, pre-degree, JUPEB, and School of Nursing is currently in progress at Akahi Tutors, Ile-Ife. Akahi Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road, off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. You can call the management of Akahi Tutors on 08038 644 328. Thank you.